How to fix TikTok not letting you follow anyone problem. Well, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Now, if TikTok is preventing you from following others, it is likely due to a few temporary limitations or glitches within the app. Now, it might be spam prevention. Now, if you're following someone recently and you are following at bulk all at once, so you are just going on and following and then going skip and following most people at once, then TikTok will just soft ban you for a while to stop this spam prevention. Now, TikTok may also have a daily or hourly limit on how many accounts you can follow to prevent spamming. Some suggest you can follow up to 200 users per day, so if you have followed more than that, you might get soft banned for a while. Now, if your account has been flagged for a violation or TikTok community's guidelines, then you might be banned as well. Now, how you can fix it? The first is you can try and clear the cache of the app. You can also ensure that you have a stable internet connection and make sure that your app is updated to the latest version by heading over to your Play Store or App Store. Simply go ahead and close the application, restart your device, and check if you are able to follow again. You can also turn off VPN if you are using any. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe as well.